game today is this. I want you to do 3 pages of free writing. If you journal regularly, you might have done this before on purpose or accidentally. If you haven't done it before, it's very simple in any case. Just take out a notebook, and do this by hand for now. Take out a notebook, preferably get one that's fresh, starting today, and write for 3 pages. This is an exercise that Julia Cameron advocates really highly in her book, The Artist's Way. It was first brought into attention, though, many years ago, 1934, by Dorothea Brande in her book, Becoming a Writer. It's something that people have done for centuries, probably. It's very simple. Write. Don't stop. Don't think. Don't look at what you've written. Don't fix anything. Don't scratch stuff out and rewrite it. And when you finish 3 pages, which should be roughly about 1,000 words, don't go back and read it either. Not now. Later we'll look at a technique where you can go back and look at it. But for now, the idea is simply to connect your conscious and subconscious minds. And I'll explain that in another session. For now, I just want you to do the exercise. Don't stop. Don't think. Don't go back. Don't correct anything. Just start writing and keep going. Normally, you could do 3 pages in about 15 to 20 minutes, as long as you don't stop. Don't think. Don't correct anything. Just keep going. And we'll see you tomorrow.